Nona, guys.
She got style.
Yes, YouTube. Wagwan. Welcome to the channel. I'm your girl, Nikki Slay. This is Royalty Reacts, and you're watching SlayQueen TV. Now, I've missed my Nona baddies. I haven't seen them since Rollerblade, and they have blessed us with a brand new single. No long ting. Let's react. Let's go. Honk.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put 'em up, posted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
They look so stunning. What? Wait. She's too sexy, you know. It's giving sexy. Woo! I like that. They look so good. Hey! This is different, isn't it? Beep beep. Hey. Ooh, they look too good. They know it as well. Oh, why does it feel short again? You know what that means. I've got a reason. I like it. I will say that. I like it. I like that they are giving us variety. This isn't giving Rollerblade. It isn't giving work. It's got its own vibe. I am loving it. Guys, wheel him. I feel like I need to hear it again. Honk.
Look at me, look at her.
Uh-huh.
Pics in the rearview mirror. Put 'em up, posted.
They're giving bare sexy.
You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the
It's the
taxi,
vibe.
never pass me. Ready, set, go.
Woo!
Get on the uncut.
Woo! Baila's eating. Beep, beep. They look so good. Uh-huh.
Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. That bass and I make a speaker break, gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A on your license plate.
N-O-N-A.
Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working
That voice.
all day long.
Woo! She looks good there.
Get on the uncut. Get on the uncut.
Their routines are always top notch. Woo! I like this one. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Christy, you know. Yes. Oh, I like that one. Like I said, it's giving variety. It is different to, I want to say, everything else. It's different to that 80s sound that they do so well. Like I said, it's completely different to Rollerblade that had that little Caribbean flavor. It's like they can just do whatever and it still sounds like Nona. I love it. Guys, I like it. I like this one. I can't lie. I feel like I want to hear it a few more times, let it sink in. But I instantly love the fact that it has that Nona sound because their voices are very, very unique. You know a Nona song when you hear it, but it is different. It's not giving work. It's not giving Rollerblade. It's not giving Sad Face. Everything they have done thus far has been different, but it all works and it all gives their signature sound. The music video is beautiful. They look beautiful. They look like they're having such a fun time. I love their chemistry together as well. I have to say that they always look like they enjoy each other and enjoy what they're doing. So I'm just happy to see it, guys. I really, really enjoyed this one. Like I said, I love the music video and I love that their videos seem to be shot in Indonesia a lot of the time because it looks beautiful. Them in those surroundings, in that setting, always works. The styling, I love that their styling always has, again, a Nona signature to it, but it doesn't give same old, same old. As usual, they are giving us sexy. I've said it before, they're all very, very sexy, but in their own way. And I love that they give off that vibe, that sexy, sassy vibe, without it feeling forced, without it feeling like they're putting it on. They're just naturally like that. You can see like they just have that aura about them. And I love it, guys. This was a good one for me. I heard the album's coming soon, so I am excited for that. I think it's going to be a good album. I think it's going to be a good album. Like I said, because of the variety, because they give us different sounds, different energies, and they do it so well. I think the album is going to be a good first album, guys. So hopefully we can cover that in its entirety because I do love to cover an album to see how the songs flow. It's one thing knowing the songs individually and loving them, but I like to see how an album is put together. Let me know what you think, guys. What do you think? How do you rate it? I will say I feel like it's a little bit short again. Not as short as Rollerblade, admittedly, but it still felt short to me. I'm starting to feel like they do it on purpose because the one thing it does do is make you want more. You always at the end feel like, huh, what, why have they gone? So that could be a good little strategy. Always, you know, keeping the audience begging for more because I absolutely am. But this was a good one, guys. I enjoyed it. I love the music video. As I said, I love the styling, and Esther's voice gets me every single time. I say it all the time, that velvety, mature R&B tone that she has is so unique and I just love it. I just love it. Even though it seemed like a small part within the song, it always lifts the song. It always does. And their harmonies are always on point, guys. Let me know. What are you guys saying? We have still got more to do, guys. It occurred to me that I haven't done the lullabies yet, so I will get that out for you very, very soon. I appreciate you all. It's been a minute, but your girl is back. I won't be too long. And as usual, I've been your girl Slay. This has been SlayQueen TV. And I'll see you soon. Bye.